For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The common wisdom among health authorities is that the average incubation period for COVID-19 is about 5 days, rising to a maximum of about 2 weeks. Researchers from the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention, US National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, and Peking University say the mean value could be higher. The incubation period for COVID-19 might be longer than first thought, according to a new study involving people from Wuhan. The study used probability modeling and clinical data of more than 1,000 COVID-19 patients who left Wuhan before the city went into lockdown on January 23rd. The researchers found the mean incubation time was 8.29 days, while the median value was 7.76 days. Precise knowledge of the incubation period would help to provide an optimal quarantine period for disease control. Despite the importance of the incubation period, it is often poorly estimated based on limited data. Incubation period for most patients is not more than 14 days, which is the typical quarantine period set by most countries. The study estimates that 10% of people may develop symptoms more than 2 weeks after becoming infected. That could be a public health concern with regards to quarantine periods, but the limitations of the study could have affected the estimate. The researchers said that as their findings were based on cases from earlier in the year, they might not apply to later cases if the virus had mutated. The results were based on a probability model that avoided recall bias and other inaccuracies that may occur when collecting data. The method used the travel history and symptom onset data of confirmed cases who left Wuhan between January 19th to 23rd. The later date is when the city was put under lockdown to control the spread of the disease. Understanding the incubation period can help authorities make their disease control plans, as people can transmit the virus before they show symptoms. The study also points out that the expectation on COVID-19 vaccine is high, but it may take time to develop one. Experts say there is still a long way to go before we know if any of the experimental vaccines will be effective. Researchers also observed that before any approved products are distributed around the world to offer a shot at global herd immunity, the side effects will have to be nullified completely. There are also many unknowns about the impact of any approved vaccines on the virus and whether they can stop transmission and ultimately the pandemic.